Welcome to Board Games. Let's test your knowledge with 30 questions. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. Which board game features territories named Kamchatka and Irkutsk? The correct answer is B. Risk. Question 2. In Monopoly, what is the cost to buy a single house on Baltic Avenue? And the answer is B. $50. Question 3. What is the total number of houses available in a standard Monopoly game? It's B. 32. Question 4. What is the name of the playing piece that moves in an L shape in chess? That's right. The answer is A. Knight. Question 5. In the standard US version of Monopoly, which property group is the least expensive to purchase? Yes, the answer is C. Brown. Question 6. In chess, how many squares are there on a standard chessboard? Did you get it? It's C. 64. Question 7. What is the highest scoring word possible in Scrabble without using any blank tiles? The answer is A. Oxyphenbutazone. Question 8. In Scrabble, what is the term for using all 7 tiles on your rack in one turn? If you said B, bingo, you got it. Question 9. In Monopoly, what is the name of the jail space? Here it is. B. Jail. Question 10. In the board game Risk, what is the primary objective? A. To build the longest road. B. To conquer every territory on the board. C. To collect the most resources. D. To form an alliance with a neighboring player. Drumroll, please. It's B. Conquer all territories. Question 11. Originally created in 1860 as the checkered game of life, what is the modern name of this popular board game? The correct answer is C. The game of life. Question 12. In Scrabble, how many points is the word quiz worth without any multipliers? And the answer is A. 22. Question 13. In Monopoly, how much do players collect when they pass Go? It's D. $200. Question 14. In chess, which piece can only move diagonally? That's right. The answer is B. Bishop. Question 15. Which letter has the highest quantity of tiles in a standard English Scrabble set? Yes, the answer is C. E. Question 16. In chess, what is the maximum number of queens a player can have on the board at one time? Did you get it? It's C, 9. Question 17. Which classic board game involves solving a murder mystery? The answer is C, Clue. Question 18. In Scrabble, what is the point value of the letter K? If you said A, 5, you got it. Question 19. In Scrabble, which letter is worth the most points? Here it is, B, Q, and Z. Question 20. What is the maximum number of tiles a player can have on their rack in Scrabble? Drum roll, please. It's A, 7. Question 21. In chess, what is the term for a move where the king and rook move simultaneously? The correct answer is A, castling. Question 22. In Monopoly, what color group does Park Place belong to? And the answer is A, dark blue. Question 23. In chess, what is the name of the rule that allows a pawn to move 2 squares forward instead of 1 during its very first move? It's D, 2-square advance. Question 24. In the board game Risk, which continent is worth the most bonus armies when fully controlled? That's right. The answer is C, Asia. Question 25. Which piece in chess can move any number of squares along a rank, file, or diagonal? Yes, the answer is D, Queen. Question 26. What is the most expensive property in the standard US version of Monopoly? Did you get it? It's B, Boardwalk. Question 27. What is the name of the special rule in chess allowing a pawn to capture an opponent's pawn that has moved 2 squares forward from its starting position? The answer is B, en passant. Question 28. Which classic board game is known for the phrase, "Do not pass go, do not collect $200"? If you said B, Monopoly, you got it. Question 29. What is the term for a situation in chess where no legal moves are possible and the king is not in check? Here it is. A, stalemate. Question 30. In chess, what is the term for a situation where both players agree to end a game as a draw? Drum roll, please. It's D, draw by agreement. That's all 30 questions. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, smash that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.